Okay, hello?
Hello.
Okay, I'm sorry. I had to walk outside. Okay, I'm sorry. Could you start over again? Your name is who, and you're from what police department?
Chicago Police Department. My name is Mohammed, Detective Mohammed.
Okay. You're from the Chicago Police Department, and your name is Detective Mohammed. Okay, and she made a complaint when?
Well, it's not a complaint. It's a report. Is there something about pictures being shared?
When did she make this report?
I can't,
You can't what?
A few days ago.
Okay, so she made this report a few days ago. Okay, we was in court on the 17th. Yes. We was in court. Then she went and she tried to get an order of protection against me on the 19th.
Okay.
They just served me property because I was there doing maintenance. I don't know if you, I'm not, hello, can you hear me?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, it picked up in my car. I'm not sure exactly what's happening, but what she's doing is, obviously she's making false police reports, right? This is not the first or the last. She's making false reports. So, I mean, what questions do you have for me?
No, that's what I'm there's nothing going on right now, so I wanted to, kill this case here. That's why I wanted to call you and get your side of the story, because there's not much basis for it. Her primary, what she said was that you guys 9-10 years ago shared pictures and you still have them, you saved them, and you're trying to you're distributing those images to your friends and stuff.
Okay. So number one, she's lying. She posted her own pictures in a Facebook group chat that she created 10 years ago.
I see.
She posted her own pictures in there. When we went to court on the 17th, I showed the judge that. I showed the judge the pictures. Obviously, the pictures were covered up, right? So she just wasn't naked. I had it covered up with little black marks on it so that the judge can get the idea of what's going on here.
Right.
The judge even knows that she posted her own pictures online. Right. And for some strange reason, she's been lying. She's a podcaster, and she's been lying. She's been lying to her, followers, her viewers. She's been saying that, I committed revenge porn against her, which wasn't true. I've never committed revenge porn against her. And my thing is this: if you felt like I did commit revenge porn against you, why are you waiting 10 years later to try to make a big deal out of it?
I see. And the group that you showed to the judge, the pictures or whatnot, these are all from 10 years ago, that group?
10 years ago, yes.
Okay. That's all I wanted to. I know she mentioned that she had shared them, but she didn't tell me that she was the one who created that group,
Oh, yeah, she was the admin to that group. She created the group. It was about 15 people in that group. She also added my boyfriend to that group, and they were exchanging videos and pictures and everything in that group.
Right.
That had nothing to do with me. And see, this is the lie that she's been telling multiple people. She's been telling multiple people this. She's included me on a few other people's court cases where she's mentioning the same thing. When I'm not going to lie to you, I'm sorry, you said Detective Muhammad, right?
Yeah.
Do you know that there's over 100 people that can attest to the fact that she posted her own pictures?
Let's see.
It's over 100 people that can say, yes, she posted her own pictures online. And you know what happens when you post your stuff online. It's not yours anymore. It's everybody else's.
That's true.
So I hate that you even have to get caught up in this web. But if you do your background check on her, you're going to find out that this is what she does. She's filed malicious police reports. She's filed malicious court reports. This is what she does. I've never, ever shared that woman's pictures, ever, and she knows that. I only brought them to court with me so that I can show the judge that she posted her own pictures online, that I had nothing to do with that. I don't know why the only reason why this is becoming a thing 10 years later is because she got caught lying to her followers. She was telling her followers that she sent me pictures of her and that I posted them. Well, I still have the chat between me and her, and I actually went through the chat today, and she never shared any pictures with me.
Mm.
Like, if you wanted to meet with me, I can meet with you, and I can show you the inbox between me and her. She never sent me any pictures of her. Even when we went to court for this 10 years ago, I sent everything to the state's attorney. And the state's
10 years ago?
10 years ago, yes, because we went to court for her illegally recording me and harassment through electronic means. She was harassing me.
So what happened then? The case was dismissed?
No, so they did a stricken leave reinstate because I missed the court date because my flight came in. But I talked to them and they told me, like, if she bothers you, if she says anything else to you, you can come back in here and you can open the case back up. No lie, Detective Muhammad. I kind of forgot about her. This was a girl that I met on Facebook. I've never even met her in person other than when we started going to court. I don't know her. She's never been to my house. I've never been to hers. We never went out. We don't have mutual friends. Like, she's just a person that's scoring for no reason. She's filing in Chicago. She's, instead of Bartlett, why isn't she filing this report in Bartlett, Illinois, where she lives? Why is she filing this in Chicago? I don't live in Chicago.
I see. Oh, you don't live in Chicago. This is not Chicago.
No, I don't live in Chicago.
Okay.
So why isn't she filing it?
When this occurred, you guys were also not living in Chicago when this happened?
When this first happened 10 years ago, yes, I was living in the city limits of Chicago. But it's been, 10 years later, I've moved. I don't live in Chicago.
I see.
So why isn't she filing? I'm sorry.
That's why, from talking to her, it didn't seem like there was much I could do. I just wanted to, contact you, and I'm not going to, move forward with this case. And so when you went to court last few days ago, this was regarding the same business.
Well, so I was trying to get an order of protection against her because she was threatening me online. She was saying that she's going to break my jaw. She was saying intimidating things. She went to court with 7 people, right? We don't have any communication. We don't have, we didn't know each other, right? Us and the 7 people, the only common denominator was her. Do you know that all 7 of our credit reports were leaked?
No, I didn't know that.
And the common denominator is her. Did you also know that when we were in court, she admitted herself to posting her pictures in the chat? When we went to court on the 17th, she admitted it herself in court that she posted her own pictures in the chat. So it seems like to me that she's coming to Chicago because everybody else is turning her away. Nobody else is paying her any attention. So she came in there with you telling a half story because she knows I didn't post it. She admitted that she posted the pictures already. And now I have to go to court again on the 17th of January because she's tried to file an order of protection against me, knowing that I've never had contact with her.
Right.
We haven't had any contact, 0 contact. I've never talked to her. I've never sent anybody to her. She's had multiple people come to me, harassment through third party. Multiple people have been trying to find out where I live, have been trying to just harass me. One guy, Brandon Stansberry, he sent me a picture of her in her panties. Now, why would he have a picture of her in her panties if she's a married woman and been married for 8 years? Why would this man have a picture of her in her panties, and why did he send it to me?
Is that do you have like a YouTube channel that you have?
Who, me?
Yeah.
I don't have a YouTube channel. My channel is actually on Facebook.
I see. Nikki versus Nicole that she was talking about.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, thank you for talking to me. You mind if I keep? Well, I'm not gonna. I'll try to. This business, I heard your story, and when I was talking to you, it seems like there's really nothing, You didn't do any from what she was talking. It didn't seem like there's anything criminal to it. So
I didn't do anything, and she knows that.
Yeah, of course.
And,
I get it. From speaking with you and whatnot. I'm just trying to close it out right now, so it doesn't. So you're not bothered later.
Okay, so I have a question. Is there any way that I can get a copy of that report? Because now I want to give this to when I go to court on the 17th. I want to show the judge what she's doing even more now. She already had me served yesterday, right? But the petition was denied. They denied her the order of protection. The judge didn't feel like she needed it. But we still have to appear in court on the 17th of January for the hearing. Is there any way I can get a copy of this? Okay. Is there a report number you can give me so I can reference?
Yeah, it's this is the report that she filed. This is JH 548 997.
So she just recently did that report. When she filed her order of protection against me, she referenced this police report number, and this police report number, to my knowledge, is not even accurate to what's on my order of protection. It's like an 8, a 3, and a 7 in it.
Yeah, she made 2 reports pretty much stating that, you were harassing her.
Oh, can I have that report number as well?
Yeah, let me see. Let me look it up real quick. Give me 2 minutes. I closed out the page.
Okay. And so this report, this one ending in 8997, when did she file this one?
This was 17 December. Wait, no, 19 December. But you guys met on, she filed it on the 19th, and she talked about the courtroom, whatever happened in the courtroom, that she was with her husband, and then you were there too.
Yeah, we were there.
Yeah. She's given her side of the story, saying that you showed the pictures, you had a laptop and stuff. But speaking to you, which you did to prove that she was the one posting stuff, right?
Yeah, the judge knows she posted it because he said it. He said, when you post your stuff online, this is what happens. You can't post your stuff online and then get upset when other people start sharing it or have it. That's what happens when you post stuff online. I don't understand what was the purpose of trying to file a police report, because this was done 10 years ago. And another thing, Detective Muhammad, why didn't she try to press charges on me 10 years ago?
I think she's trying to get a order of protection, make her case strong to get an order of protection against you, which I don't know if since you're not in touch. But you can use the reference number, same reference number. Then.
Okay, so what's the second one?
Yeah, I'm looking it up. Sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry. This is crazy because I never shared her pictures. All I wanted to know was, how did my boyfriend get added to this group? That's it. And she's been accusing me ever since of sharing pictures of her that she knows I didn't share. She knows I didn't share these pictures. I bet you she can't even show you one place where I shared them.
Right.
If you was to say, Miss Ford, can you show me, or whatever her name is, if you was to say, could you show me where she shared it at? I bet you she couldn't show you not one place.
Yeah, I asked her, and she said it's over here somewhere, but she couldn't give me anything proper,
I'm sure. I'm sure.
So, all right. The other one you said is 637, right? 548-637.
I'm not sure if I know, because from me getting the order of protection yesterday, the denied petition yesterday, I remember a 3 and an 8 and a 7 being in there.
It's so the one that is JH548637. That's the second one.
And when was this one filed?
Same day.
She filed 2 police reports the same day?
Yeah. So.
Okay. Is that standard for somebody to do that?
No. It was the officer should have checked, first. But the thing is that a lot of people just they go to one station. She went to one station and then went to another. So.
Oh, yeah. She went. Okay, could you tell me? Yeah. Okay, so for the one with 997, which station is that?
It was in the south side. I don't know if I can give you all the info. I'll just give you the phone number. I mean the report numbers.
Okay.
So when you go to court, you can present saying that.
Okay. Okay. So they were both on the south side.
One was here, so that's why I'm calling. I'm calling from the north side. So.
The north side.
Yeah, she made one in the north side and one in the south side. So.
Wow. Oh yeah, the judge is gonna love this one.
Yeah, I hope you win.
Yeah, the judge is gonna love this one. Okay. Yeah. Well, do you have any other questions for me, Detective Muhammad?
No, I'm for now I'm okay. If you don't mind if I call you back later, not today.
I sure don't mind.
Yeah.
I sure do not mind. All right. Thank you so much.
And sorry, one more sec. She also mentioned Gail Lockett. That she's got some issue with Gail as well. So.
But Gail has an order of protection against her, and Daphne Ford has a warrant out of Tennessee.
I see.
For stalking and harassing. Did she tell you that?
I did see. She didn't. Yeah, she was just pointing me to this. This page is not yours, is it? This Nikki Nick.
Nikki, which one?
No,
that's that's my YouTube. Yeah, I have a YouTube. I don't have an actual page though. I have an account, but I don't have an actual page on YouTube.
This NIKKI-NIK8415.
That's me.
That's yours, yeah.
Mhm.
Well, she was saying that the one picture that you mentioned, the Brandon
Stansberry.
Yeah.
Mhm.
With the Ford T-shirt.
Mhm.
So she had pointed that out and said that this is my picture. How does she, So.
Yeah, but the bigger question is, why does he have it and she's a married woman, and why did he send it to me?
And Brandon is the one who sent it to you, and Brandon is just her friend.
Brandon is her friend, which I believe they had some type of sexual relation, because that's what he came into my DM and told me, that he was messing with her for 6 or 7 years, but she's been married for 8 years. So you're cheating on your husband?
Right. So, but thank you for clarifying that. And so you're okay. So you're gonna go to on January 17th. You're gonna go to court and. You have no business with her except that she's just bothering you. You just need the order of protection, right?
That's it. I mean, I tried to get an order of protection against her. The judge didn't feel like I had sufficient evidence, even though he wouldn't let my witnesses testify. So I just kind of dropped it and I left it alone, right? And then next thing you know, I got served with order of protection paperwork, but the judge denied the petition, but they still have to hear the case. I talked to my lawyer, and we're going to draft up a motion to even get this thrown out before we even have to appear in court, because number one, this was 10 years ago. If you had a problem with me, you should have did something 10 years ago.
Yes.
You waiting now is nothing. What are you guys going to do? She posted her own pictures online. What are you going to, what's going to happen with it?
What you said, the problem that all of a sudden she's doing this is because of the group chat,
no, this is happening because she got caught lying.
Right,
she was lying to her followers, telling her followers that she sent me pictures of her 9 years ago, and that I got mad, and then I started to post her pictures all over the internet. Once I was contacted and I was told that she was lying on me and threatening to cause me harm, she said she was going to break my jaw. Once I started picking up on what was going on, I went on my page on Facebook and I did a podcast where I X'd her out of everything she said, everything she was lying to me about. I submitted the truth about. I showed my receipts. I showed everything on my live showing that she was lying. And everybody knows she's lying. When I tell you, Detective Muhammad, it's over 100 people that will tell you she posted her own picture online. It's over 100 people that will tell you that.
And that's on that group page, Nikki versus Nicole.
Correct. The video is on there. You can find it. I did the video August 1st, 2024.
I don't have access, and I'm just...
yes, the video is on my page. August 1st, 2024 is when I did my video negating everything that she said because she's been lying on me. Like, I'm going to sue her for slander and defamation of character. I'm going to sue her.
Well, thank you for your time. I appreciate it. I'll write that in the report. So hopefully you know.
And then I have a question. Is there any way I can get back in contact with you if I need to? Is there a number you can find me?
Yeah, this is the number you can call. It's my department phone.
The 872-232-0399?
Yeah.
Okay, not a problem. Okay, well, thank you so much.
All right, thank you.
Okay, have a good night. Bye-bye.
Bye.